Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locking down prerequisites and taking immediate action. Define your target CPM interval, for example, 1s or 0. 5s, and make it measurable. Next, inspect hardware bottlenecks, CPU, RAM, disk I/O, and network latency, and record current thresholds so you have a baseline. Then enable detailed telemetry and timestamp traces for 30 to 60 minutes to capture real behavior. Once done, stop noisy processes and isolate the testing environment so your first measurements reflect real causes, not background noise. Now focus on the complex middle steps where lag hides. Minimize serialization overhead by switching to binary formats, compressing payloads, and batching events rather than sending one by one. Also tune concurrency. Adjust thread pools, event loops, and async I/O settings so queues don't grow. Make sure backpressure is enforced. Prioritize hot paths with caching and memoization, and add cheap prechecks to skip expensive work when possible. Once tuned, run load tests and capture traces again to verify improvements against your baseline metrics. Finish by deploying changes incrementally. Use canary releases or a 10% traffic rollout so you can observe effects under real load without full risk. Monitor real-time CPM, error rates, and tail latency. Set alerts at clear thresholds so you get immediate notice. If you see regression, roll back to the last stable version and collect deeper traces and heap/dump profiles for post-mortem analysis. One key troubleshooting tip. If lag persists, isolate components by disabling non-essential integrations to identify the guilty service quickly.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.